Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making DIY bridesmaid stickers using our favorite Midjourney, which is a paid AI generator, and we're going to use that to create some images so we can do stickers and will you be my bridesmaid cards. So here is what I started off with. I got a few cute images, pretty trendy. Some of them are kind of, may not be my style for this particular thing. But shot of a distance, faceless girl in a white dress, oasis boho floral, neutral pastel gold foil cartoon. So I did quite a few images to try and get exactly what I was looking for. Again, it takes some time. And I was just not loving this color for this particular thing. It was more fallish. So I said, you know what? Let's try something else. So I kept going and I added something else. I said, shot of a distance, two faceless girls holding hands, one in a white dress with a veil, the other in a pink pale dress, boho floral, pink pastel gold foil, cartoon minimal. So as you can see, I got some cute stuff. And what I'm trying to do is a bridesmaid's card. So I want, oh, that one's nice. I want to show, bride supporting the bridesmaid. No, bridesmaid supporting the bride. We're friends. We're going to do this together. We're so excited. So here we are. So let's see what we're going to create. In ChatGPT, we are going to get the wording. So again, ChatGPT 3.5 is free for everyone to use. And so we're going to try to get the kind of saying we want on the card. Again, you can make up your saying, but sometimes people just don't have the words. So I said, I'm creating bride proposal boxes for my bridal party. Please create some cute sayings for these boxes or whatever I put for these, please. Please make about 10. So ChatGPT will go ahead and give you some ideas. So let's review some of them. I can't say I do without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? That's cute. I found my mister, but I still need my sister. Will you be my bridesmaid? That's cute. So it gave us a few options. So we're like, please make them more quirky and cute or even funny. So you do it based on your personality, which I think is pretty fun. So it's going to create us some more ideas. Again, you don't have to take these stuff for verbatim, but it just gives you ideas. I'm going to pickle without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? I'll be a bridezilla if you say no. Will you be my bridesmaid? I can't say I do without a crew. Will you be part of my bride tribe? I think that's cute. That's a cute one. And yeah, there's quite a few options. So I just kept on prompting it to get more and more. And I got some more again. I'm very excited and not naughty without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? That one is so cute. I totally didn't even see that one. I can't adult today, but I can be a bridesmaid tomorrow. Will you be my bridesmaid? I'll need an official dance partner for the reception. Will you be my bridesmaid? I need my partner in crime on my biggest day of my life. Will you be my bridesmaid? So you can actually take some of these, okay? Bride 2023, actually 2024, you have the option to have any of these. This is free for you to use. I think some of these are so incredibly cute. So now we're going to put everything together in CANVA, and we are going to make 5x7 cards that we're going to use to give to our bridesmaids. So in this, I am going to actually try and make everything with free images because I do want to give you the link so that you can actually take the link and use it and create whatever you want with it for free. No questions asked. I will leave the link below. So let's go ahead and create a few things. So I'm going to just speed this up and you can have a look and see what I'm doing. So I know Canva can sometimes be intimidating, but if you just take your time, you can actually create something beautiful and make it really, 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 really nice. So as you can see, I'm literally just going through all the fonts. I'm trying to use fonts that are free so that you can actually use it with the free Canva account. So just remember, you can use your free Canva account and you can actually, with the link below, you can actually use this and actually create your own version. All I ask is that you would just send anybody who's interested in this type of stuff to like and follow, subscribe, you yourself. I have no problem giving stuff away for free. I know weddings can be very expensive, so if you can do something like this on your own, that is always helpful. Now, if you want to see other styles or you want me to do something else, I can definitely do that again and I could put a video out and teach you how to do it. But I think this is the best way, DIY, and pretty much almost free. Yes, Midjourney, you do have to pay for that subscription, but you're going to get a lot of the images here for free. I know everybody's not brown headed and we can make different variations. So comment below if you would like me to make different variations and I could definitely do that. But look at, there's a bride's, what do you call it? I found that those girls look like they were more like flower girls. So look how it ended up coming out. I can't adult today, but can you be my bridesmaid tomorrow? Ooh, spelling was wrong after that. I can't say I do without my crew. Like, these are so stinking cute. You could definitely try Bing image creator to try to create these as well. I don't know if you're going to get the similar output, but if you would like me to do a video and show you how to do that, that would be more than happy to do that for you. It's just that Bing, you only get 15 credits, so you kind of have to either like what you like or you have to continue to wait for a little bit to get what you want. So I'm just uploading all the images for you guys so that you can use them. And yeah, like these are so cute. And I hope that you will use them and enjoy them. I'm going to get a link for you guys so that you can actually be able to play around with this. And again, if you like something and you want me to try something new or something for yourself, I definitely would love to do that for you. So while showcasing my tree, here I am showing you the printed copy of everything. Kind of hard to see in this particular photo, but I really do think they are super cute and definitely something that you can add to your bridesmaids box, and you could definitely make it customized and make it super nice. So I actually did take another video with it, brighter light, and I think they came out cute. I added one with a bow and with without. And you know, if you love this type of DIY bridesmaid stuff, I can definitely make some more for you. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Bye.